Okay. Okay, before I start the live stream, of course, this is going to be for people that are not at the live stream. So I'm going to talk about this. So you see here on my banner, I've made everything kind of dumb proof. You know what I'm saying? No, you can't. You have to have no brains not to be able to figure this out, right? I pretty made it pretty dumb proof. All right. That being said, see it says here, live stream on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. So all you got to do is figure out your time zone to match my time zone, and voila, you will be at the live stream on Wednesday. So you can see it live and ask questions live. If you're serious for success, if you want to be a clueless clown, well, then come to the live stream, right? Study live. Listen, it's up to you, right? You want to find out why I'm right year after year after year, month after month after month, week after week after week? It takes study and work. It's no quick rich gets study and work. You don't use your brains, you're gone in this game. That's warning you now. Right? I tell how it is. Wake up and smell the coffee. All right, that being said, so we're going to wait for people to come in. But what I do in the beginning now, beginning of the live streams, is I explain that. Now, also, this created playlist, you should study this created playlist, a wealth of information, right? It's part of the ways of becoming to my group. You need to know what I'm about, right? It's not like, there's magic to this. You need to know, you have to understand what's going on, right? I'm a leader, market leader. Year after year after year, I do these live streams, okay? There's no one that can come close to my analysis skills, okay? But you've got to study to understand, because most people aren't ready here mentally. You're just dumb over here, right? So I got to try to wake the dumbness out of people. Gotta wake them up. Open your eyes. Look at the truth. Look at the live stream. Study. Listen to what I'm saying. And the truth will become very apparent. Lots of clowns out there. Lots of stock clowns. Majority of the people are stock clowns in my book. No skill, no skill, no skill. They want to learn. They want the easy money. They don't want to learn how to really make money with skill. They don't want to understand how important the mindset is and have understanding real direction. Not little blips and plops. Why am I a big picture leader? Why do you think so? YouTube channel video. These YouTube videos that I'm making that I'll be able to explain, they're going to just show how clueless people are, how correct I am. I have it all documented. Stock clowns. All right now. So we're going to wait for people to come in, people. Hello, everybody. We're going to wait for people to come in. So I've explained this point over here, right? Again, those serious for success, they will show up to the live streams, right? As I said to you, most people are not serious for success. That's just a fact, right? There's no excuses, right? You can't say the fault is your fault. It's not the marketers who market you the baloney. It's your fault for not opening your eyes and looking for what is really working when it's right in front of people, right in your face. My YouTube channel, it's a gold mine of powerful information for those who have a little bit of brains. Most don't. So why do I speak like this? It's a wake-up call. Wake up. You come to everything I say in my live streams happens week after week, month after month, year after year. So many people baffled. Oh, I talk about old world thinkers. It's a new era. I've been massively correct since 2016, smashing all kinds of people to nothing. To nothing. Right? Stock clowns who say this and that, nothing. All right, now, we're going to be talking about, hello everybody, we're going to be talking about Tesla, Apple, how I've been right, the big picture, this market, so on and so forth. We're going to be talking about other stocks. People have any questions on stocks that I mentioned, okay? I'm going to take some questions. So I just started the live stream a little bit early. We're going to let people come in. It's only really the first minute, right? We're going to let people come in. Hello, people. Hello. We're going to let people come in, people, and then PowerTarget Trade. Now, I've let people know about this. See, live stream on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. Use your brain. Figure out what that time zone is for you. Put it in. Come to the live stream. Don't make excuses of why you're a losing clown. Come to the live stream. Fess up your weaknesses. so that I can give you a fair assessment and wake you up from your slumber. Study my YouTube channel. The facts are right in front of you. Open your eyes. Use your brains. Understand? All right now. Understand, stock clowns out there? Understand. All right now. The big picture leader gonna talk about the facts. So, we start again. What did I say in December? In fear. In fear. Great fear. Look, we would test 300. Did we not test 300 three times? How am I able to see this? It's called a powerful technology of understanding the real direction of the market through skill, through my scans. Over and over, when I see how everything works out, I already know that I have the power to predict the market direction and lead people to the dollar bills with skills for decades on end. I've got that. Most people don't have the health. They won't have the mental health to survive in this 10 years down the line. They're gonna be donkeys, dum-dums, gonna have dementia or something, okay? PowerTarget Trade, only gonna be smarter and better. I got the health, I got it all. I got the skills, I got the confidence. I kick in a killing ass. I got the documented videos I'll be making. People are gonna be saying, how will we so dumb in the future? But only the smart will see. Only the smart will get. Listen, I made a system on how to get into my group. Hello, stock market. Skills to play the bips. That's right, stock market investment. Hello, Ravi. That's right. By the way, great to have the stock market investing. We're going to talk about Tesla stock market investing. And listen, people, this is really great. Like, I've been talking about Tesla. I was waiting for the signals to come in. Like, where Tesla was. We're going to talk about Tesla, okay, people? We're going to talk about Tesla. Of course, we've been making the gains with Apple plans. We made gains in Tesla. By the way, people, it's not like we ever had at least 4 or 5 winning plans in Tesla, and that's in the chop. That's not the real move. Now, Tesla has woke up again. Tesla, 400, 500, at least by chart standards. Now, some people might project 1,000 and so on and so forth. But you know what? We will adapt. Step by step, we will adapt. My methods catch everything. Okay, there's no one as accurate as me. Nobody. Okay, I can prove. I have the documented videos since 2016. I have to put it all together. I'm going to be making so many as the SPY goes and tests higher, like 305 and breaks out. We're going to be talking about the SPY. The videos I'm going to be making and the documentation and the crushing I'm going to be making. It's not going to end. I will smash anyone who says that they know what they're talking about and I says, show the documented proof. Clowns. Show. And the clowns will run for the hills. All those stock clowns that doubted me. Again, I've been right. They're done. They're gone. Where are the stock clowns? The crying clowns that said I was crazy. No, I'm a visionary person. That's the difference. I have skill. Okay? Billionaire car icon couldn't get Apple right. Capiche? PowerTarget Trades been leading the people on Apple with option plans for people to be able to afford to get into Apple with huge option winning gains. I already called for this for Apple to test 242. We hit that already, and also I think 250 before earnings. Either way, we've been massively correct the big picture. Why do you think that? Well, I will tell you that. I'm going to explain you why I'm so correct. Okay. First of all, one of the factors is I had massive skill over 28 years looking at the market, okay, from 2 ways, through the eyes of a person who's, watching other people who say this and that and that. And I can tell you, stock clowns galore. Galore, only selling propaganda. That's why my group, my group is free. For those, I said, most people, even if you go to a paid service, you're going to lose because you have no idea of what you're doing. Okay, if you can't succeed in my group, you have no prayer outside. No prayer. Most people have no prayer. The market will destroy those people. All those so-called old world thinkers will look like clowns. And I will have the documented. And the people will wake up and say, this guy was saying this. Holy mackerel. Why? I wish I found this guy. That's what people are going to be saying over the years go on. I'm going to be the leader. There is going to be nothing like me. Nobody is going to be as accurate as PowerTarget Trade with option plans for anybody to get into this market. Whether they have a small account of $10,000 to $100,000, I am the big picture leader. All right now. Okay, so I've said my piece about that. Now, we're gonna start talking about the SPY. So listen, people. As you can see, the market now on all metrics, we have an alignment happened here. Okay, by regular charts showing this, and also visionary line charts. Okay, something that I developed that helps me um, with massive skill see what most people cannot see. Okay, that's the facts. You cannot see what I see. Okay, but what I see and what I can tell you with that certainty for those that those are there is I'm scary correct of what I say. Scary correct. The only reason why things have been a little bit is because political issues can throw things off. But the big picture, I've been scary, massively correct, like a crystal ball. Okay, a billionaire, listen to me, would be a billionaire richer. It's that simple. If they knew, see, they don't know. You know, there's so many people saying a lot of things on the internet. It's very hard to find the truth now on the internet. Too many people listening to clowns. Too many people who are just lazy, bums, looking for the easy way, easy money. That have no idea what they're talking about. I do, and I have a document. That's why I made. See, everybody doesn't get. Every time I make these videos, I have more and more documented proof that I can go pick up to the videos. It's all time stamped. You see, people, I have the power and proof, and I'm only growing in power every year. And anybody who doubted me is only going to look stupider and dumber as it goes on. I said we will adapt to the market. I'm the one making live streams weekly. So no one can match what I'm saying because I project. People say blah, 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 blah. They don't know what they're talking about. I talk about the big picture. I don't talk about the blips and the blops. Okay? Month after month, week after week, I have been correct with the market. With adaptive measures, with explanations, with key support levels, with plans. Why is this? It's not because I look at the chart. You can look at these charts all you want. It's not in these charts. It's not in just looking at charts. It goes way beyond the charts. It's a process thinking. I work with a group of people that we talk about the market. We talk about things. We talked about the SPY going to 300 back in here. Back over here, people. We were talking about this and discussing why. And one of the stocks I said were going to help us because it was BA at the time. And with BA, I led the market higher with BA, then Apple, and Ruco. Three very high-performing stocks this year, but Ruco was a 300%. I am a king identifier of trends in the big picture. No one touches this within such small amount of plans. People throw out 20, 30 plans. They don't. You might as well pick your own stocks. I narrow it down for everybody, okay? Too much skill. Some people ask me, how you don't have the skill to do what I do. Most people do not have the skill, do not have the mental capacity. So, how do you get the edge? You get the edge by joining my group, by coming to my live streams, by asking me questions, by studying my videos, by studying my live streams. I do this to help wake up those who are sleeping that may have a chance to wake up from the slumber. Most people slumber. Okay? All their fault. Because even if the gold is right in front of them, they're too blind to see the gold. I know, I've dealt with these people. Blind. I'm not joking, but that's okay. That's too bad. I'm glad to help those who want to really learn the truth. Right? It's again a small group of people. Because I believe the majority are dum-dums. Listen to me. I'm going to say this very. I want you to think about this. The vast majority of the wealth is controlled by a small percentage of people. Listen carefully. The vast majority of wealth is controlled by a small, and there's a reason for that. Two dumb people out there. Two dumb. I am the link. Okay, there are thousands and thousands of people that, if they knew, if they got to look for it, they got to wake up, they would not understand they have found gold. It says, but they still got to study because even if there's those thousands of people are too dumb to even. It's a very small group of people. Listen, I know this and I realize this. I've been dealing with people for years, And the problem is people lack discipline. I show the people with the health side of things. This is discipline what I do. To be successful in the market, sharp here, strong here. Then you need skill. Without these things, you're finished, you're through. I guarantee it to you. So what do I tell you this live stream? If you don't study, if you don't listen to my live streams, if you don't open your eyes, you are finished. You are through. All right. So what do I say? Like, I'm talking to anybody, persons in my, so people who understand in my live group, they will understand. They will not get offended because they know what I'm talking about. If I offend somebody by telling them the truth, that's too bad because I'm going to tell how it is. You don't like what I say? Too bad for you. All right, now. So, the fact of the matter is, SPY is set up for 305, 2, 3, 10. Stocks are saying that. Caterpillar had great earnings. Tesla, Apple. Google hasn't come up. Listen, people. It's being engineered. There are old world thinkers baffled by the markets. I know what's out there. I've seen what's out there. Billionaires are baffled by the market. This is a skill beyond skill. Those who understand real direction are the true new leaders, and there isn't any out there. There's very few out there. They just talk. They're confused themselves. I have been talking about the big picture and correct year after year after year. When I see a problem in the market, we will make lots of money on that direction, but that problem does not exist right now. The right stocks want higher prices. They deserve. It's engineered for the right stocks to go higher and growth. Look where Apple is. The stock clown Carl Icahn bailed on a huge winner. Apple is $1 trillion company. PowerTarget Trades told I've been pushing that we'll hit 200 long before even Warren Buffett joined the party. My skills are too high. Too high. All right, now. So now, we talk about the SPY. SPY 305, 310. We will do it step by step, getting into the right plans. Tesla is back, people. Let's talk about Tesla. Let's put up Tesla, people. TSLA. All right, now. So listen up now. As we can see here, even on regular charts, this had a bull flag. We needed it to confirm. The reality was that we needed this to really crack over this level. I already knew that Tesla was bullish, but we needed up. I was hoping we could get in if they would break that, but it never would want to break this level. It needed earnings. So now the earnings is out. Now, let's go to the after hours. Excuse me, let me show you. So, Tesla closed $306. Now, the stock clown, who's been telling people to take profits and blah, 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 saying Tesla's going to go massively wrong again, just like he was massively wrong 2016, 17, 18, and so on and so forth. Who's been massively right about the big picture, about anything? PowerTarget Trade, yours truly. Massively correct, okay? Massively beyond anyone out there. There is no one. I want anyone to show the. But those people don't go against me. They are on the same track, but they can't do what I do. They cannot win at a high win rate within a small amount of picks that are manageable. So people don't get it for free in my group. But you see the value, people that send me gifts, right? But I know that a person who wants to see value, want to be in my group, going to follow my rules. That's what, right? Because to afford what I'm worth, people couldn't afford it. So the best way to do it was they succeed by being in the group. That's why I'm not going to charge. And you're going to go to a service that charges $20 or whatever, some cheap fee. These are people with no skills. They're just going by the numbers. Okay, anyways, that being said, you couldn't afford PowerTarget Trade. That's why I do it this way. People send me the gifts. Can't afford PowerTarget Trade what I have, what I'm worth, the skills I have. Can't afford it. So I do it for free. All right now. So now, Tesla now, being that Tesla is back in the 300 key zone. Over 300 now. Now, Tesla definitely means, in my opinion, we're going to test, the doors are open for $400, $500 a share. So there's going to be lots of opportunities. It's a matter of waiting for that opportunity. It's not easy to get into Tesla right now. So we'll be focusing on other plans, but Tesla is going to be a lot of opportunities. Tesla is back. And Tesla is also a massive positive sign for the big picture of the market. Of course, PowerTarget Trade massively correct once again. Wait till the I can't wait till the SPY goes to where I'm talking about. The noise I'm going to be making. The videos, the referencing. I'm going to be making a noise out there. People are going to be saying, hi, what's done? I have the skill, not these baby penny trade stalkers. I have no skill. They are penny stalkers. Call them all out. They're clowns. They can't do the big picture. It's about the big picture of the market. It's the big companies like Tesla, like Apple. That's what counts. If you can't call these companies correctly, you have no skill. You're a clown. I've been making money in Tesla. We've been making 4 winning plans in this chop slop in Tesla. Now Tesla is back to the Tesla that I like. Okay, and I always knew it was gonna go good. I've been talking about Tesla the thing. I was waiting for the signals, let the market to tell us what the power in this case. Doesn't surprise me what Tesla did, but now that it's here, I tell people don't worry. Lots of opportunity, lots of opportunities. Listen, it's about long-term success, people. I can do this with any company. Okay, it's about making 100% gains. 100%. We're gonna do it with skill. And that's going to create longevity. You don't want to make money just for for a month or two. You want to make money year after year, year after year, decade after decade. Right? 1 decade from now, how powerful will PowerTarget Trade be? You have no idea. Because I only increase in power every year that goes by. All these other stock clowns are decreasing in power. The market is going to require massive skill that most services do not have. They do not have it. Look at Option Sniper, for example. Gone. These are people who think they know. They don't know nothing. Nobody has developed the visionary line system. That is the most powerful thing I ever created through massive study and work. Massive study. Any questions? SPY 320 banks. That's right. We've been already in the banks, by the way, stock market investing. Yeah, I'll be showing the bank. Yeah, I told my group about the banks, right? So we got involved with Goldman Sachs already. PowerTarget Trade knows listen to me. I'm already ahead of the curve all the time with option plans for anybody can get in. Listen, a person with a 10,000, a small account, they can buy an option or two in great companies like Tesla, like Roku, instead of trading these penny baby stock, they're teaching you how to trade like scared chickens with no skill, no idea. Costco's, listen, what I get into the real companies that make the dollar bills with skills. Most stocks, they suck, really. The reality is most stocks, they do suck. But they chop around and whatever, right? I'm interested in making money with the companies that make real money. And there's lots of, we don't need very, listen, if you can identify the best 10 or 20 that can variate, that can come, there's so much ways to make money, and we can make money to the downside. But why people might say, why do I not make money? Because the market's trending higher. I do not focus I could have done a lot of things to the short side, but I don't focus my energies there. See, when you're trying to life isn't just about making money. I want to make money with skill. So my focus is making money in the right direction. Okay? Not trying to go all over the place. You go mentally when you lose your health, when you go mentally, when people get sick, they get sick mentally, physically, everything. You go downhill. You need a system. You need to stick to rigid rules. And my system is about the big picture. Nothing better than my system out there. Nothing. Because it's within a small selection of the highest probability. Okay. In the market, it's been very tough this year due to a lot of crazy, political issues. But the big picture was identified by me in massive fear, in December 2018. Stock Clown thought he was correct. Massively wrong, massively wrong, massively wrong year after year. These are the old world thinkers. I reference the Stock Clown as an old world thinker. Okay, lots of billionaires are old world thinkers. They are not in the new world realm. They only have money to make tons of mistakes, but they do not have the ability to help you. They do not have the skill. I have the skill because I came from difficult times. Didn't have billions of dollars. Listen, I have to give advice that people do not have, that they do not have all these unlimited amounts of funds. The accuracy of my ideas are high, okay, within a manageable amount. But a lot of people also don't have enough mental capacity up there. So I tell people, if you can't succeed in my group with all the things I'm doing, you have no chance to succeed in this world. Any stock tweets with respect to GS to hit? Yeah, it's true. We'll take a step by step, Muhammad. You know, whether GS does that or not, and if whatever it does, I will have the plans. I will always find gets into the best stocks, Muhammad. That's not a problem for me. SPY 320, yeah, sure, stock market. I mean, the market is set up for a strong move. I can assure you this from what I'm seeing in my scans. Look, I'm correct the big picture year after year after year. However, if the market was to change its mind, PowerTarget Trade will make an update. But I've said every live stream that has not been the case. And every live stream, what has the market been doing? Going back to 300. I defended the market. I have clowns saying, but I go, why don't you look at my live stream, Stock Clown? Don't talk when you don't know what you're talking about. When I say I know what I'm talking about, I know. Go look at my live streams. It's right there. The videos show proof that it's in the. You go in my group. People in my group who know. They know what I'm talking about. But a lot of people still are mentally weak. That's why I do these live streams. To help the people, even in my group, to wake them up. Say, wake up. Aren't you paying attention to how I'm right all the time? I never said the market was easy. If the market was easy, listen, people, I've never said the market was easy. If the market was easy, everyone's, it's not. It's the hardest profession in the world. That's why most lose. Wake up. If you're joining my group, you're going to learn and grow. You're not going to want to do anything without me. And when you do things without, you will see that, listen to me, I already know. Okay? I know. I had Shia who was paying for people in a group thing. Come to me. Invest working with me one-on-one. That says it all. He was paying for some service. He said, "You're the best. Your advice is like gold." He invested $30K in Apple, about $30K in Apple options at the time when I met him back in 2017. People, I met a lot of people, but I also know the weaknesses of people. It's the same problem here. Very weak here. Many people very weak. I got some good guys in my group that are very more like-minded. But most people, I don't care how much money they have, here, weak. Steve Jobs, very weak here mentally when it comes to the health. Okay? Believe me, that his downfall was all preventable. He's too weak in the health. He believed he knew nothing about health. He knew about technology, but that's about it. Bigger than Steve. Steve Jobs is a baby. Listen, health and wealth. Money means nothing. You can have your billions. When your billions are here, and he died because he for poor health. The money's here. Give me the. It's not about the money anymore, people. You gotta live with health, longevity, feeling good. Right? The guy was a rich guy, but walked like a skeleton. Wake up, people. So many sick, rich people, so sick in the health. That's poor. That's dumb-dumbness to me. Dummy. Dumb clowns. PowerTarget Trade. That's why even these so-called stock guys, they look like some of them are so, their health is so poor. They ain't gonna be around. I'm gonna be around. Ha ha, stock clowns. Better than ever. PowerTarget Trade, #1 in the world, man. I know it. I'm so correct in this market. It makes me. I'm full of so much joy, people. It's like I just love how correct I am. Mentally strong, mentally correct. I'm looking for the big picture. Year after year after year after year after year of success. All those stock clowns. I'm gonna be calling a lot of stock clowns. Don't worry about it. Oh, the videos are gonna be making the wake up calls. Again, success is for the few and not the many. Too many dum-dums out there. Too many. That's what the world wants. They want more dum-dums. Work like slaves. Now they don't need them now with robotics and stuff. So it's going to be a very suffering world. There's going to be, if you want an opportunity, get inside my group, study what I'm saying. Build yourself up. Learn to succeed for the long term. PowerTarget Trade documented videos on my YouTube channel is a wealth of power right now. All right, so Tesla, Apple. Okay, so Tesla, Apple, SPY. Oh, Apple. Oh, Apple. Oh, PowerTarget Trade #1 in the world for this. Look at it. How many option plans? I defended Apple down here. We made money I made money all through this. We made money through all of this. Tons of plans in this. Then we avoided Apple for certain times. Made money in Ruco. We've had multiple plans all through this, people. PowerTarget Trade massive right. All the stock clowns who doubted me. Look who's right again. And by the way, after hours, we're now like, and I already had another plan for the group. Not only are we holding our runners on the 235 November calls, we already exceeded my targets. My targets were 242 before earnings. Already correct massively again. Oh, and adapting. I have to adapt and make extra plans due to what I see. You see, adaptation is key. You must adapt to what the new information comes in. You can't just stick to your guns. You have to make adjustments. I've explained this. You gotta use your brains. You don't think these stock clowns can do what I'm doing? They're clowns. You don't see people. I got so many documented videos. Come and challenge me. Come and pay the millions of dollars you will have to pay me to doubt me. Come, because I'll show everything. I can't wait to sink my teeth in somebody who would be big enough to challenge me. These stock clowns who say these things. Come and challenge me. I'm gonna clean you out, stock clown Paul. You know all those stock clowns in the past. You've been smashed to pieces. I've been right the big picture. Where's your information? Where's your YouTube videos? Where's anything? Nothing. They're all quiet, the stock clowns. And PowerTarget Trade, I'm going to be making more and more noise when we go to the higher SPY. I've been talking about the SPY when there was massive fear, when everybody was quiet, when everybody thought the market was going downhill, down the tubes. People were thinking that in 2016, in 2017. It doesn't matter. Clown City. On my YouTube, there's so much documented proof. It's scary. Okay? Scary. All right now. So now, I know I am going to have great success. So who wants to be with me has this. They don't want to be, too bad. Get away. I don't care. Out of the group. I kick people out. People think, not that, you got to get in my group. You can't get in my group. You're not getting in. You capiche? You understand? You got to get in my group. You got to follow. You got to use your brain. You got to open your eyes. I know people will come in my, there are going to be people, they're going to be, I have hundreds of people, but they just don't, they're too dumb. So I don't put them in my group. You follow the rules, you're not coming in my group. You understand, stock clowns out there. I don't care. If you can't follow my group, I don't want you in the group. I only want people who have a bit of brains in their damn skull. Dum-dums all over the place. Weak, fat, sick, you name it. No power. No brains. So, as a leader, I'm going to tell the people, I'm going to try to shake people and wake them up. I'm the leader and winner for a reason. And I got it all documented. Look at the plans. Look what I say. Look what happens. Look what I said October 16. I adapt, and I win. With skill. Yes, we have losers, you dumb stock clowns. But the losers do not compare to the winners. And I'm correct the big picture. And when you correct the big picture and you know how to adapt and make plans to fix the problems, that's true skill. That's what people lack. And that's what my YouTube channel shows. I never said there is no losers. I tell this to people. This is impossible. I'll tell you why you can't, listen, when the market can have unforeseen facts, that even the charts cannot, like for example, BA. You know, BA, what stopped BA from going higher to 500? Do you want to know what stopped it? Because of a plane crash, because of a technical issue that was unknown. And so now they're battling that out. Right? That's why BA's been out of favor. But before that, that's why I call an unknown anomaly. So we've just adopted. I've not focused on BA anymore. But when BA was good, we had focused on it, and I won 5 times in a row, massive, 300% gains in options. 5 times, whether it's 100%, 200, huge gains 5 times in a row. No one out there, and I mean no one, no one touched what I did with BA. No one caught the Disney move in the options, like PowerTarget Trades. No one out there. They caught a smidget of it compared to what I did for my group. That's why I know I have the skill. If there's somebody that did something like they're the top 1% in the world and they're not known on social media, there are people that pay millions for their advice. That's the advice and worth of my advice that's for free is worth this kind of money. But the dummies are too dumb to see it. I don't care. I know I'm helping. God knows what I'm doing. He knows. And I'm a happy person. I'm rewarded. But I just see the stupidity all around me. Stupid people all around me. People thinking, oh, you. Listen, I don't make my money due to the gifts that people send me. That's part of the thing. That's to show appreciation. But that's not how I go. I get those gifts due to the success of my plans. And I'm in my plans. The gifts aren't enough to pay my bills. Come on, stock clowns. But it's the skill. It's the people who understood what I'm about. That's right. BA will be back. God, man, I remember trading Apple back when it was $90. Yeah, like I'm a long-term investor, stock market investing, since '80. In fact, when there was a 7-to-1 split, we had caught Apple, okay, from the $100 area when it went to 1,000, okay, to 1,000. Then it had come down. Then I got back in around the 560, I think it was 560 area. Then there was a 7-to-1 split. We've been a long-term investor since that, and I made so many option winning plans over the years. It's not funny. It's not funny. And I've told people I'm a long-term investor in Apple. To this day, massively correct. Stock clown, when it was on 140, said it was going to go fill the gap at 120. Massively wrong since 2017. Destroyed, big margin losing clown. Some people are mentally mentally deranged. They're called big margin losers. So they go crazy. They become baby scalpers. They don't even know what they are. Then they want to give people advice. You're a big margin loser. Don't give people advice. You have no skill. I have skill. I can give people advice. And I tell people to study. I never tell people to come in my group until they study. I don't let anybody come in. Why? They don't show appreciation. They don't know what I'm about. They're a lazy bum. I want them in my group for what? They're not going to appreciate nothing. They're too lazy. I don't want lazy people. Majority out there are lazy bums. Sorry to tell you. Lazy. If that's you, you're not in my group. Bye-bye. Who cares? You're worthless. You're not going to contribute nothing to society. You're going to be a worthless guy. I warn you. Listen to me. Many people are going to fail in the market. So remember PowerTarget Trades warning. You're going to fail. You don't have the skill. Okay? I got too much skill. You understand? 28 years behind me. I study this stuff week after week. You cannot. It's just in me. I love it. It's a talent now. It's an inherent talent. I've been at this since I was 18 years of age. I was doing charts by hand. Nobody knows the kind of work I put in. Nobody know. I know what I did. Okay, I know what I did. Nobody does. What I did, nobody does. Become PowerTarget Trade. How I created this, how I'm able to see things is mind-boggling. There's absolutely no one can touch what I do. I'll clean them out. I would love someone to challenge me. I would love. Those big mouths will run for the hills. They will run for the hills. The big mouths. We will do it. I will have it all. They will run. Every time I challenge those guys, I say, "Let's sign the papers." They run for the hills. They don't want to challenge me. Let's sign the papers with the lawyers. They don't want to do it. They don't want to do it. I'm that assured of myself how correct I am in the big picture. These services are clowns out there. There's so many clowns, but people want to believe in the clowns like the option sniper, the clown. Gone. Mentally drained. Mentally broken. Sick, weak guy. Under my foot. Like a lot of people. Under my foot. Because they're too weak. Long term. PowerTarget Trade. Decade after decade after decade. King. I'm going to be king. That's why these videos of me talking gonna be I can reference these videos. See what I said here? See what I said here? See what I said there? See. And I have to figure a way to put it into the videos and then make videos. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun, people. So again, people, massively correct Apple. What's new? What is new? What is new? Massive. Okay. If I made 9 plans, 8 have been winners. We've had losers, but the losers are so baby small and only due to political fear. But the big picture, it's what I'm focused on and what I'm the best at. The best. The big picture. And I do it for whatever company. If the company changes, something was to go wrong with Tesla. Let me put it to you this way. Listen, this is the reality. PowerTarget Trade said, we don't need Tesla. But until Tesla tells me it's no good no more, I'll be talking about Tesla. I'll be making plans for Tesla. You don't see me talking about BA. Why? Because BA doesn't matter. It's not good for me right now. It's not good. We don't need BA. When BA is good, PowerTarget Trade will make the recommendations. I make the recommendations with a lot of thought. Okay. Any plan I make, there's a lot of thought going behind it, a lot of skill, a lot of experience with the tools that I have. It's just too powerful what I do. Okay, we've had mostly winning plans. Caterpillar winning plan, Goldman Sachs winning plan, Apple winning plan, Tesla winning plan, Roku winning plans. So a small amount of plans, most of them winners, above 80% win rate. Now, lately, in the chop, things haven't gone as far. We've had some things, whatever. But reality is, I said to people, the party hasn't started yet. When the SPY really starts staying above 303 now, that's going to be another massive signal because the SPY is more online than ever before. Okay. But if the SPY doesn't remain above that level, what we can have is a secondary scenario where the SPY could chop between certain levels. Again, I don't really care. What I do care is taking what can confirm. And there's a lot of stocks looking good. They're just developing for higher prices. So Apple. So I talked about Apple, SPY. Let's see what's going on here. Any people from StockTwits that came to the live stream? Any questions for the big picture leader? You know, listen to me, people. Anybody out there? It's gold here. What you're seeing here, gold. You won't find this kind of value and heart and truth anywhere out there. It's that good, but it's only for the smart. Listen, the dumb won't see it. You know, the heartless person, the clown, the jealous person, the blindo, they won't see what I'm saying. Only the one with skill. The stock clown can't see it. Guy's an old world thinker. Guy's a big margin loser. Can't see it. Can't learn from his mistakes. Can't see he's wrong. Has to make money the wrong way. Listen, I'm about making money with skill. That's the best way. The wrong way will kill you in the end. Listen to what I'm telling you. I know what I'm talking about. It's the only way. You got to make money the right way with skill. Luck will kill you. Skill will not. Understand. All right now. Clowns will come and go. Any Google, Sandra? Yeah, Google's having earnings, so we're probably gonna have to wait for Google. We're gonna probably have to wait for Google. A lot of stock clowns out there, people. A lot of stock clowns. But all I care, I hope what I get when I do a live stream is I connect with one person minimum. At least one new person that says, you know what, I gotta wake up and smell the copy and study this guy's YouTube channel. See what he's talking about. Guy does his live streams. The guys write the live stream week after week after week. Go look at all my live streams. Go look, go look, go look, go look. See if I have not been right the big picture. Go look. Spy down. I tell you it's not going down. I give you, it goes up. Spy up. It goes up. That's a matter. PowerTarget Trade, correct the big picture. End of story. With plans. Winning plans. A small amount of picks, high win rate with skill. It hasn't been the best yet. Nothing's really happened amazing yet. But we are prepared to make a killing with skill. And the videos are going to be making it. And those people are going to cry. Don't listen. Get into my group. Follow my rules. You're going to be crying. You're going to be sorry if you're not getting in my group. You're going to be sorry. Ruko. Wow. Right now, Ruko is good. She's got to really break this level right now. I believe if it breaks this level, it's on the rise to go on. You know, there's an issue they're working out, but it obviously, honestly, if we can break that level, this is gonna fly, and it could happen. But if it doesn't happen, if it doesn't break this level, it could chop, right? So if I would make another option plan for this, right now I wouldn't make another option plan for this because Ruku needs to get back to this level. We need to really take out this level right now. It becomes a bullish chop zone. But you know what? The big picture of Ruko was this was a superstar stock. You got to understand where the stock was, people. Understand this, stock clowns out there. Ruko was a $33 stock in January. Now, I didn't start talking about Ruko really until I think we had a plan. I think I started talking about Ruko in February. We had a great plan in that, and then we avoided it. And then we started catching it in this zone over here. And then even in the breakout zones over here. In fact, I had many plans all the way up here. So a lot of winning plans. About 5 or 6 winning good plans. One plan, I'm not sure that will be a winner now. But so far out of 9 plans, 8 winners, 8 have been good winners. Greater than 100% gains on 8 plans. In a row for Ruku. Ruku. Not O. Ruku. I don't know why I call it Ruko, but it's Ruku. Anyways, I don't care about Ruku. Ruko is just a tool for me. All I care about is making money with skills, with companies that mean something. You look at my videos, you see these are companies are king companies. Costco's, Apple's, Ruko, BA, AMD. We've Twitter, you name it. We make money in what's important, not what stock clowns who have no skill ramble about. I don't look at stocks that, even though beyond BYND, I don't trade stocks like that. You know, I trade the best of the best. You know, Beyond Meat is more like throwing the dice to something right now. It's not the best way to make money, right? There are better ways to make money with skill. The lucky way always kills you in the end. Trust me. I got too much experience. I know. I was burned many times in the past for the same things. I have these strict rules. People don't get it. I have these strict rules for a reason. This mindset for a reason. It's from deep world experience. You can't get that studying some biased chart. Deep world experience. You got to go through it. That's why when you're with me, you're with the leader. You're with the guy telling you to avoid. There's 2 ways to learn. The easy way, which is listening to me, or the hard way is to figure it out with yourself through massive suffering. Okay? I've done the massive suffering. Just listen to what I say and avoid massive suffering. All right now. Because the only way to learn is through massive suffering or to listen and study from someone who knows what they're talking about, who has deep world real experience. Capiche? All right now. Yeah, Google earnings So we'll probably wait. Google out, is good too. It's not like this is no good either. But people, who's the leader? Who talked about Apple as a leader? Year after year after year, it's an important company to watch. Why do you think I was bullish the market? Because I was watching what Apple was saying. I've said it. Listen, and with plans. See, that's real skill. That's billionaire mindset. Real skill. Apple's $1 trillion company. Capiche? Understand? Billionaires are baby compared to the trillionaire company. Capiche? Billionaires are babies. In terms of, do you think that they know market direction? Ask Carl Icahn, did he know if Apple, he said it was a no-brainer. Did he catch the Apple? No. It doesn't matter. He's a billionaire. They can afford to make massive mistakes. Massive. But can you afford to make massive mistakes? Can the majority? No. It's about skill. And the value of skill is higher than any dollar bill in the world. Apple was a company came out of a garage, is now $1 trillion company. It's all about here. The mind is the most powerful weapon in the world. Here, this, it makes anything. And money means nothing without your health. This is the most powerful weapon. It's worth unlimited amounts of money that people don't have out there. I have the power here. Here, unlimited power. Unlimited. Health and wealth. When you have these two metrics, anything is accomplishable. Anything. If you help change the life of a person in a massive way, that's a huge, and I've already done this, that's huge accomplishments. People do nothing. People cause nothing but disasters. There are these companies that cause disasters to people's health. They've made money, but at the cost of killing people, like the cigarette companies and the people who make that the what's it called? Vaping. That's making money through killing, through doing nothing. That's not success. People don't even know what real success is. They're so clueless out there, people. Success is right on my YouTube channel. Hearing what I'm saying, giving powerful advice. Any metric, health, wealth. Because true wealth comes from the health too. If you don't got your health, money don't mean nothing. Ask Steve Jobs now what the money's going to do for him right now. All right now. FYI, live streams keep stopping me. I don't know what you mean by that. Can you help me? I'm just getting into Think or Swim. I don't know what you mean. Think or Swim is just a trading thing, right? Well, Untamed FPS, where did you come from? Untamed FPS, where did you come from? How did you find me? If you need to learn options, you want to get into my group, you want to study my YouTube channel, Untamed FPS. Oh, so but where did you see that? Where did you see that? From YouTube, from Twitter, from StockTits? Where did you see the way to get into this group? That's what I want to know. Oh, you from YouTube. How did you see it from YouTube? Oh, I see. You saw the banner. You saw my banner. Used your brain, right? Okay, that's what I think you mean. Yeah, listen to Dexter, Mad Trader. Okay, good for you, Untamed. So listen, Untamed FPS. You go to my Twitter, okay? There's a pinned tweet. It explains how to become a member site of Power Group Trades. A lot of my best plans, Untamed Trainer, do trigger within the first hour of trading. The best ones. They mostly do trigger within the first hour of trading, okay? But I want you to study my YouTube channel, get into my group, okay? Uh, and definitely I can help you, you know? Well, it opens for me 9:30 p.m. in the morning. So you got to figure that out for you. I don't know where you are. It opens for me 9:30 a.m. in the morning because I'm in Canada, Toronto, Canada. So that's how it works for me. So that's my time frame. Any people, any new people in the group have a question for the big picture leader? You found gold if you're in this group, in this live stream. You found gold. Harold, through Twitter. Oh, so you found me through Twitter, the Twitter link? All right, Harold. So listen up. So again, on my Twitter, on my YouTube channel, on my Twitter, PowerTarget Trade Twitter, you're gonna see a pinned tweet. It explains how to become a member of my group. You want to study what I'm about? Listen to me. You found gold. Trust me. Study though. Okay. I cannot help you unless you understand what I'm about. All right, we'll see one day. I don't know. Rico Tebow. Get inside my group and get a profile pic for your YouTube channel. Get a profile pic. Get a profile pic, people. All right? Any questions for the big picture leader out there? Who's been massively correct the big picture year after year after year after year after year. Stuck, Carl John. See, I don't know what it is. More and more people come to the live stream, more towards when the live stream is over. And it gets me, so listen, people, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada, man. You got to figure out your time zones, the people who are coming in. You come in too late. You gotta come in earlier. Quickly, people, don't waste time. Don't be shy. Ask a question. Share a story so I can give you some assessment and I can tell you how I can help you. That's why I'm here in the live streams. PowerTarget Trade, you can study my live streams when they're over. Listen to them. You know, I give gold advice about the big picture of the market. Nobody out there like PowerTarget Trade. Nobody out there. I'm that sure of myself. I'm that confident. But it takes work and study, people. Nothing's for nothing. Wake up, man. If the market was easy, everyone would succeed. But I tell it how it is, and I'm right the big picture, and we're going to kill it decades from now. Right? I gotta live multiple decades. So I'm thinking I'm gonna kill it decades after decade. I'm gonna be too smart. I'm gonna have a PowerTarget Trade computer. Who knows what I'm gonna develop, people? Who knows what PowerTarget Trade develops? I already enveloped the market. The market speaks to me. I understand the market. I'm right no matter what. Even with all that craziness that was happening, but I now enveloped all that. Too powerful, my knowledge now. Too much skill. I've grown immensely since 2016. Not only was I correct in 2016 immensely, they're all babies compared to me. They're all pebble baby traders out there. Dan Sanger, baby. Old world thinker, no skill. That guy's phony baloney. Old world, when he made money with no skill. Luck. All luck. No skill. And now he just peddles. He makes money selling baloney to people. Baloney. Trust me. Don't want to listen to me? Find out the hard way. For free in my group, I help people succeed. Then they see value. They send me gifts out of free will. You have to want to send me. I can't take $1 from you unless you want to send me something. It's a free group. Because I know those who listen to my advice and study will succeed, will want to stay in my group and send me gifts. And that to me shows value. That's what I want. I'd rather someone to want to give me something than for me to ask something. I will deliver you because when you're making money, I'm making money as well as you because I go into my own plans. That's why it's very, very strict and very diligent how I control and manage things. I've been doing this consistently. I'm looking at the stock charts 7 days a week without fail. Without fail. And for years and years like this, before I was, for, 4 years, when I was working for companies back 20 years ago, I, when I was 18, I already knew. I says, you know what? I fell in love with the market when I got my first investment, and I doubled it. It was Bally's Entertainment. Long time. People don't even, doesn't even, maybe the company doesn't even exist right now. I don't know if they changed to Hilton. I forgot what happened with it to it, but it doubled. And I knew. I said, this is the way I'm going to go to work and I'm going to double them. But lo and behold, I found out that it wasn't that easy. It didn't just double like that one plan. So I had to learn, and I went to commodity. Big story, people, that I'll talk about. But the skill and the suffering and the work to get the journey, it was all to be able to do this for as long as I need to do it to help people. And that is going to be monumental. These how I help people and how they succeed and how they appreciate me. It's so fulfilling. I'm so happy with that. Who makes more money? Of course, someone like a stock clown, like the option sniper that robs people. They kill me, those guys, and how much money they get in. But I don't care. I want to help people with skill. Option sniper kills me in how much money he gets from people via, but he robbed them. Now he's gone. In the big picture of things, I will get way more money, but people who wanted to give me money over time and with sincerity and happiness. Haha, stock on. See, 22 people in the live stream, and yet these people come at the end, people. Why do you come late? 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada starts. Now it's almost over, the live stream, people. You got a question for the big picture leader? Good night, Ash. Good night, Ash. Thanks for coming, Ash. Today I did a Ruko. Yeah, Ruko, I don't have a plan for it right now. Can someone link me to the group? No one can link you to the group, my friend. I told you what to do. You just open your eyes, untamed. Open your eyes, untamed. Nice meeting you, Harold. Any questions out there before I go? You guys came late, people. You guys, there's 23 people in the live stream, and majority of these people came late. But it's okay. You can watch the live stream. Listen, people. I make these rants for the new people as well. It's all in front of you on my live streams. The only reason why I made a rant is just because we were so successful with and how everything I'm saying is correct. That's why I made this rant tonight. But a happy rant. You have how much joy I have seeing being correct, the big picture. Like, it brings so much joy. I'm so happy and proud of my powerful skills and that I know it's unlimited. It just I haven't described. I know I'm going to be a bigger star as it goes on. To the smart, listen. The smart is a minority. Dum-dums are the majority. It's true, people. You know. But if you wake up and you get in my group, you become smart. See, when you're not in my group, you become dumb. Dumb you become. All right now. Hello, Rico Tebow. Oh, thanks. Oh, stock market investing. Thanks for showing up today, God, man. I remember how I found the Twitter. Good, Untamed FPS. You just follow the rules to Untamed. Take your time. Listen, think long term, Untamed FPS. Success. Don't think about making a little bit of money here. Long term. Listen, I've been grinding this through all difficult. This is sun and the rain I talk about. You got to know how to manage both. To catch the sun, you need to understand the rain. If you don't know how to, you're finished, you're through. I guarantee you. Okay? Listen to me. That's why I do the live streams, to motivate people mentally. And I'm going to talk hard when I have to talk hard. I have to tell the truth. I ain't going to fudge. I have to be who I am. Tell it how it is. Stock clowns all over the place. Ah. Yeah, 1K is too low. Untamed. 1K is too low. It's too low to do it properly. But Untamed, I'll tell you what you should do though. Study my YouTube channel. It might help you out. Study. If you do the right things, you message me, you type me, just follow the rules. You go follow what I told you on the Twitter over there, okay? Follow what I'm saying. I made those videos to help only those who have a little bit of brains to wake up and smell the coffee. All right, now. That's right, Rico. You tell them. You have to study. That's right. And when you study, you're going to feel, you know what you're going to feel when you study? You're going to feel a sense of hope. You know, what gave me hope in this world was the market. Knowing that, you know what, there's a place to make money with skill. And all I saw from the market year after year was opportunity, unlimited. I saw working for company as a disaster. Look what's happening. I understood this long time ago. Working for some company, it's for the dummies. Dummies. It's for the dummies. They need the dummies. Working for someone is for dummies. Dumb. If you have to do it, do it. But get away from it. If you're in my group and you're waiting, you're battling to get out. You understand? All right, people. Again, those who came late, you want to come to my live streams early and you get a chance to ask questions. People have asked me questions when they have a chance, and you got to be quick. Don't be shy. Don't be a chicken. Don't be a clown. All right? Study my YouTube channel. Open your eye. You found gold. I'm giving you the message right here. If you're watching this live stream, when it's over, try to get to the next one. Ask me questions. Study my YouTube channel. Get inside my group. I'm here to help you succeed. I care greatly for my group. I put the plans, the updates, the thought. I'm thinking. It's what I was born to do. PowerTarget Trade, the big picture leader. I have so much goals I have. I see so much wrong that I am understanding and I'm doing myself that I'm going to try to help and fix. But we live in a dumb world right now. A lot of dum-dums, even if the best truth is in the world. But things are changing. And there's PowerTarget Trade to help those who want to listen. That being said, but you can study Untamed FPS. You can study. Listen to me. You can study. 1K is too little. You won't learn how to trade properly. But study my YouTube. Keep studying. Study. As I said to you, if you do the right things, I will see what I can do for you. Just follow what I explained on my pinned tweet on my Twitter account. That being said, people, PowerTarget Trade, the big picture leaders out. A great future. Listen, people, I'm telling you, a great future. I'm very proud. Both sides. When the market has to go down, there's going to be a time market will go down. That's not what it's designed to do now. We will make money to the downside. Right now, that is not the correction. One direction with what the market really wants to say. That's what I'm good at. That's why I'm right the big picture. That's why I'm a leader. That's why I have the skills and the other people do not. They are phony balonies selling people baloney memberships that have no skill, that can't touch me with a 10-foot pole in my skills. I will bankrupt them. If they were to challenge me, bankrupt them. Guaranteed. I wish it upon it. I know my skills. They have bankrupting skills. Do the people go against me? Bankrupted them all. Stock Clown owes me $10 million to Stock Clown. He owes me so much money, he doesn't have any money. But he never challenged me, because if he did, he'd be broke. You understand that, Stock Clown, John? You loser, you Stock Clown. SPY 300 3 times in a row. Apple 230. Where did it hit 120, Stock Clown, John? Where? You are a clown. You're a big margin loser, Stock John Clown. You've been destroyed and massacred by me, but you are a coward hiding on your computer. Right, people? Good night. I don't want to waste any more time on Stock Clown, but I want him to know, because I know he's watching. You lost, Stock Clown. You've been killed, Stock Clown. You have no skill. You're a blind man. Have a good night, people. SPY 300, all right. Tesla's going to be Oh, the shorts, good for the shorts. Oh, you know, there's some billionaire short. He's gonna get reamed, the billionaire short. He's gonna be destroyed, the billionaire short. Too bad for the dumb money. Too bad for the dumb monies. Oh, the big money shorts are gonna get crucified, and they deserve it. They're dum-dums, dummies, dummy, all dummy, just throwing money like dummies. That's okay. They're gonna give the money to the, because they don't even deserve the money. They don't even deserve their money. They're so dumb, dumb. No skill, no skill. Dumb bit. Listen, there's dumb smart money, and then there's smart big money. Power Trick Trade. I study the smart big money. The smart big money, not the dumb big money. The smart one. That's what I'm a master of. That's why Power Trick Trade is here forever. A lot of guys will be gone. Gone. Power Trick Trade will be able to reference videos. I will be doing this format. Let's do it. And whatever I come up with, laughing at the stock clowns year after year after year, no one will match Power Trick Trade. So get into the group. You found gold. I talk with confidence. I talk this way because I destroyed clowns who doubted me. I told them they're clowns, and now they're broke clowns. Broke, dumb. Working at a coffee shop. Have a good night, people. Yeah. Suffer, shorts, dumb clowns.